To unlock the lug nut, if it is very hard, so you can use little feet force, use your foot, or it is not possible, so you can use a pipe as I show you here. The pipe here like that and like this. So it is a good tip if your wheel lug nut is stuck. Hello guys, I want to show you how you can replace the brake and brake rotor today. So as you see here, it is more than 50% rust and corrosion here, so I should replace that one. When you take it out, check everything at the same time. So this is brake pipe, so it look good, nice and stiff. Two bolts here and one veranda down here, and you should also take metal out like this, just push it out, and it is, as you see, it's out. When it's out, you can use a screwdriver, push that one, like this. So sometimes they're stuck, but since you are replacing this, so doesn't matter. As you see, the patch is not good. You see the age of the rotors damage, and the rotor is rusty. So take that also out like this, down, two pads out and one bolt. For take a rotor out, we took this bolt out first, and also we have two more bolts, one here and one here. First we take that one and that one, and we go to take that one, we just hammer it out. Okay, as you see, the bolt is very rusty here, and it's not possible to take it out with this tool I have. As you see, the arm is not enough long. What I do usually, I have one pipe here, put this one inside, and I forgot to tell you, you just tape the edge of the fender good to don't damage the color, and you come here, put that one inside and start. As you see now, the board is going very fine. It's stuck very badly, but hopefully I took it out. And this is good equipment to have. It's very cheap. It's about $10. Can bought it from Biltema or other places, so it's helping a lot. Okay, as you see guys, I take that one out. Those two bolts is going inside here, one here and one here, so I have that one out. The next is to take this bolt out is that is a ball bearing here, as you see, and be careful. If you heat it too much, you can damage the ball bearing. Is not going, so I recommend first hammer it a lot here. If not, you can also heat it little bit here. Okay, it's enough. Okay, can put the one screwdriver here and this tool here, and with the right, because it's rotate, so it's not. This is moving, and you can put the car in the gear, so much easier. Okay, next step is to take that one out. This is also stocking. Usually I use that one little bit WD-40 and do little bit here on these bolts stuff, and I hammer it a lot here. This is moving and it's come out. That's it. So clean it around here, and usually I use this one. Is a drill and one steel brush. Clean around here. And also you should clean these places that break sitting. This area you should clean it. I clean this metal piece, and I will check one tips. If you clean it enough, so this pad should go from and back easily. As I see, I didn't clean it good, so I should clean it a little bit more this area, this rust, and here also other side. So you should check with the brake that, as you see here, this brake should go easily from and back. As you see, is not cleaned good yet, so I should clean it more of rust and stuff. Okay guys, as you see, the rotor is here, and I clean the area rotor settings, look very nice. So it's time to clean this bolt. Easily use your drill and either sandpaper. So okay, I took these two bolts. So now it's very important that you use these two plugs, these two plastic plugs going inside here. Is very important. Put back one here there. So we are almost done. The only things we have now is put the wheel back. But before that, you should rotate that brake is good. And you should go inside the car and brake it several times to see if this is not stacking. Okay. So I already replaced the brake that side, and as you see,